It's dinner time and you want to cook something really amazing. Here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with ground steak stir fry. So let's get started. Let's prepare the vegetables. Let's prepare the sauce. Time for the ground steak. Let's build the dish. Now let's prepare the rice. Stir frying as a cooking technique is first mentioned in China during the 6th century AD. Stir frying today is considered a healthy way of preparing vegetables, meat, and fish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion of this ground steak stir fry on a plate. Garnish with chopped scallions. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, that's really good. The combination of ground steak, crisp vegetables, and a rich sauce creates an amazing umami flavored profile. This is a great dish to prepare any night of the week. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Your dinner is ready. Stay with us. Watch the next video.